Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we would like to talk about a trending indicator, Parabolic SAR indicator, which can help you in your trading, daily, intraday, swing trades, or even investment. Let's dive in. First of all, what is SAR? Stop and reverse. So this indicator is totally for free. Here's how it looks like. So this is just basic simple dots, right? But I will explain you how you can combine it with the EMA. What does it mean? Where to buy, where to sell, and so what to do. First, K moment. Indicators, guys, it's a tool. It's not a magic. No one indicator will show you just the buy, sell signal because everybody could be the millionaires. I use personally my indicator set. There's 6 indicators and I combine all of them. I combine with my strategy and with information in the news, what I can see on the charts. I combine it and it's giving me a lot of signals and a lot of additional data for entries. But for example, today I want to show you just the SAR indicator. So you have to work with the SAR, but in the complex with basic TA, with the levels, with liquidity, with seasonality, with for example some favorable gap or the blocks. So with your analysis, so you can't just blindly follow the signals or the data what the indicator shows. So first of all, you have to know that SAR indicator, it's a trending indicator. So it's showing you that trend, but on different time frames. So if, for example, you trade on a monthly time frame like a spot investor trader, it can give you some information where we now on a market cycle. If you trade and buying some assets on a weekly time frame, like I do, for example, on a spot, it's also give you the information more for investment or for like swing trades, position trades. But if you trade intraday, daily, 12 time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, even the 5 minute time frame, you have to understand the more signals you will get, the more often the trend will change. So this is a trend indicator. Everything pretty simple. I'll show you on an example. This one, let's use the monthly. This is by the way the Ethereum USDT on a beat stump. So let's hide the FIB for a moment and rectangles, this one. So we turn on the SAR. We go into this one to settings. In settings, what we can add? This is steps. This is steps and this limitation, maximum value. So if you want more signals, you change to 1, this one. If you need less signals, you change to 3. With 3, it will be the more accurate, right? But less signals, I always use just the basic default, this one. And the styles, you can choose the cross, histogram. It can look like this one, but with the cross, it's most useful. And the color depends of your trading view time. So take a look. The monthly time frame, it's showing you the trend. Check. This is was the January 2020. Then in February 2020, we change that trend. And take a look. Since the February 2020 till basically this one till May 2021, we traded in the uptrend on the monthly time frame. So you could invest, for example, here or in March 2020 with the COVID dump and follow this move and sell around, I guess, here in June 2021, because in the moment in May, you couldn't know we got the new dot. This one. So you could buy, for example, at, let's say, $100 and sell not at the top. Of course, you could sell at the top because another factors like maybe the FIB or some other additional indicator, but only by SAR indicator, you could sell it, for example, in June at 2K600. Right? When we change the trend on the monthly time frame. After that, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months downtrend, you know. But take a look. Since the October, we pump it again. 1, 2, 3. 3 months pump. And after that, we dump it and go into the bear market. So here, since the May 2022, like confirm it bear market, right? Now we can see the same story. So 2 months, since February 2025, we are in a downtrend on the monthly time frame. Technically, it's a bearish signal, but you remember, nobody know, for example, how many months we will trade in this one. Maybe next 2 candles will be just a bullish one and we're breaking out and start going higher with the uptrend dots. That's why, guys, we have to work in a complex. If we go to the weekly time frame, what we can see? The last one, uptrend, started here November, before United States election. So here we got to pump, and we got to pump with a trend here to the top 73%. And after that, here we shift the trend. What does it mean? Up and down. Logically, you know, when we see the dots above the price, we open mostly the short position, because the trend is your friend. You know, we follow the trend and we going down. So we open in priority. We should open the short position. But guys, we have to work in a complex. We can't open position just blindly. It's showing you the direction, but it's really useful tool. Definitely, I even sometimes turn on intraday trades. Take a look on 4 hour time frame. Here, we bounce it. We drop, for example, bounce it. We got an uptrend, but here we drop it down. And take a look. Only, for example, 2 4-hour candles can be like a downtrend. Then we continue the uptrend. That's why, guys, you can't know for sure. So you always should open short. Now, based on my experience, when I see something like this one, I'm not open short position. I'm waiting the confirmation when we will breaking out, because next dot can be the last one we breaking out, and we will see another dot at the bottom. That's why the key point is to catch that moment, you know, when we just switch between the trends. So it's give you the more room for trades. For example, this was a drop and this candle is down, right? So we switch the trend. So you could add like stop loss here 4%, and we follow the trend till even now you could fix a 12% profit, or at the bottom like 20%. You know, of course, the small time frame, there are more signals. And take a look. Yes, definitely we will breaking out now this downtrend, and probably go to this monthly, not a monthly, to this 15-minute time frame favorable gap, 2K. Right, and after that, most likely we'll drop again and change the trend. That's why, guys, SAR indicator give you really value information about the trend, and you follow the trend, but you have to work in a complex and combine it, you know, with other information what you see on the chart. How we can, for example, combine the SAR indicator with EMA. Like one more tip, when we trade and the price above 200 EMA and the SAR showing us the uptrend direction, we work in priority with the long position. When we trade under 200 EMA, we trade in priority with a short position, and if the SAR showing us the dots above the price. Take a look example. So SAR indicator is total for free, EMA total for free. You can use this one. It's in a complex, you know, 200, 20, 50, 100, and 200. So you can adjust it. Here's just no information which one is which one. So I guess it's 20, and this is 50, this is 100, and this is 200. So you can leave just only one. Or you can use, for example, just basic EMA, go into inputs, and add any EMA what I would like to see. So for example, this can be the 200 EMA with the source close candle. How to work with the EMA, I already showed you the video. So we turn on the SAR indicator and the EMA. So while we drop it down here, we could open the short position on daily time frame, or we can sell. For example, even on the spot, we can sell and follow until we trade under 200 EMA, until we trade with a trend on the SAR, like downtrend on the daily time frame. We can open short in priority. So it could be the short like 43% with the second leverage. It could be almost 100% profit. That's the point, guys. Take a look at the 12-hour time frame. Still, here, that was a moment when we're breaking out that trend, breaking out under the 200. But guys, you have to keep in mind about the dots I explained it, the flat. So SAR indicator, I never use in the flat because it's give you a lot of false information, a lot of signals and a lot of false information. So on the flat, there is no trend. So I'm not recommended to use the SAR indicator even with combined with EMA in the flat. So you have to work with their own time frames. Let's go back to, for example, 15-minute time frame and with EMA. At this current moment, logically, we could open the short position, but I understand we will most likely will bounce, retest 200 EMA, and after that, will be more logical to open position in short, right? 1 hour time frame, the same story. Now it's like an uptrend, you know, and 1 hour time frame uptrend is prioritize the direction, not a 15-minute time frame. That's why here, for example, of course, I'm not open long here now. But anyway, here's a 2K. It's like a magnet for the price to close the 1 hour time frame gap and close the 4 hour time frame gap, favorable gap, right? 12 time frame also. So there's 3 gaps where we mostly will close at 2K, and after when we will close the full field, we will see the reaction. And most likely it will be the bearish reaction. That's why, guys, work in a complex, not trade just randomly. And of course, small time frame, more signals. But guys, I highly recommend you use the reply bar and the backtesting like additional tool, work in a complex with these 2 instruments like EMA 200. You can adjust, for example, maybe to 100 if you want to open more trades, for example, like this one. But it's give you the more, not false information, it's give you the more room for often trades, but I guess you will see the more often stop losses. So guys, I highly recommend you use it on a back test. And if you would like to trade with my custom set, what I showed you in all of my videos, you can write in DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.